Hey everyone, today I have a special guest, my daughter. She's going to be doing this tutorial with me. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to see if she can copycat what I'm doing. I already put on foundation and did my eyebrows. She's 12. I did let her put on for recording purposes a little bit of foundation. So today we're going to do a mermaidy look. We're going to be using a lot of blues and greens and purples, and we're going to see what we can come up with. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we're going to be all in this mid section right here. And let's get started. All right, so we're gonna grab this crease brush. All right, so we're going to start off with the blue. Nope, not a light blue. We need somewhere around there. I'm thinking we're gonna start off with, let's start with this little tealish kind of blue-green right there. Get a good bit on there. Which one was this one? Okay. Tap it off a little bit. Just once. Tap. Okay. So now we're going to go from the outside all the way in. Outside all the way in. Go to the next, and we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Back and forth. You're just building up that color. Is that good? Yeah, do a little bit more right here in the crease. Alright, so now you're going to switch brushes, and you're going to go to a smaller crease brush. Alright, so now we're going to go in and we're going to put a little purple, this dark purple.
Are we going to do that on the bottom?
No, just in the corners now. So literally the corner of your eye right here. Just in the corner, small circle.
See that?
Just in the corner. You can work it up a little bit, Belle, but not a lot. Go back, take the crease brush that you had, and kind of smear it out a little bit. Just a little bit. You're going to start blending it out a little bit. So you don't have any harsh lines. Can you see that? Okay.
I've seen kids doing tutorials like this.
Yeah? Practice, practice. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the same brush and we're gonna use a little lighter purple,
Like a lavender.
like a lavender, yes. Okay. Tap it off, and now you're gonna take right on top of where you were in that corner and you're gonna swipe it again like a windshield wiper across. Oh, we forgot green. Let's put a little green in there. So we're gonna take and we're gonna use a little bit of a Kelly green.
Like a leaf.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And we might put that in right here in the corner. And you can take it and stretch it up. Put it where it goes into your blues. Yep, stretch it up, shut your eyes. So you're gonna go here and stretch it up into your blues. Put a little more green if you don't feel like you're getting enough. All right, so after we are going to put a little concealer on the bottom part of our lower lid so that I can come back and put a little shimmer on to my eyeshadow. And Belle, do you see how in the corner we're gonna tiny make a wing? You see the wing? Okay, just your lower, just like I did. Okay, so I've covered that up. Now I'm gonna take and use a shimmer palette. What color? I don't know what color to use.
I'm gonna use a gold.
Gold. I'm gonna use a gold. Like a yellow gold.
Is that good?
Yep.
Is that how you do it?
Mm-hmm. Pretty close. Okay, so now take this brush and go back in with these two colors and go and put it lightly on top. Just pat right over where that concealer is. It'll stick to it. Keep applying. I'm gonna put a little more shimmer on top of where I already have that gold. Alright. Now, pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna take the smudge brush. It's probably one of my favorite brushes. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna do under our eye with a little green shimmer. And then we're gonna do a little purple on the edge. On the other end. To tie in a little bit of the darkness for our corners.
Are we using the same brushes?
Mm-hmm. I'm just kind of cleaning up and adding a little more dimension to the top of mine with a little more purple. Okay, so say your color went out of line. Maybe like Bella's did a little bit. That's okay. She's never really done this before.
I only use like foundation stuff to just play around.
You can take a makeup wipe and open. Just kind of clean up where maybe some of that fallout was. Y'all gotta excuse me. I'm sick. I've been sick this whole week. That's about it on our eyeshadow. Okay, so I have my eyeliner on. I did a winged liner. Bella did a pencil liner to darken up her upper lid, her lash line. Now we are going to, you can get your mascara and you can apply your mascara. I'm going to darken up my waterline, and just I think for the look that it'll really tie it in together to have that dark waterline. Alright, I know that fake lashes would really pull this look off because they take everything from a 6 to a 10 like this because they're amazing, but today we're not going to do fake lashes. I'm just going to put mascara on and then that will complete the eyes. So our eyes are done. I think they came out real pretty. Yes, very mermaidy. So I'm going to add a little contour. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring kit. Bella's not going to contour. She's going to just put some blush and some bronzer on her cheeks. So I always put a little bit on my chin. I know it's not so precise, but I always just try to darken up the sides of my nose with a little bit of contouring cream. So a little on my chin, cheeks, forehead, not on my chin, but under my chin. So,
like that?
Okay, and so we're almost done with today's look. We are going to line our lips. She doesn't have to line her lips.
You mean me just put it on my lips?
Yeah, just like lipstick. I probably should not use a dark lip with such dark eyes or colorful eyes. I should probably use
a light lip gloss?
Yeah, like a nude or something. But I have yet to find a nude that like truly looks good on me. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm just haven't found the right shade yet, but I do not like I don't like any of the nudes on me. I feel like I always have to have
a dark color?
A color. All right, and that's it. That's today's look. We did a mermaid inspired pretty blues, greens, a little purple color in there. Bella copied my look. This is her first time. She's 12. She doesn't put makeup on a regular basis. She did her best. She did great for her first time. Bye.